Welcome to Princess Cay, or Princess Key, I guess actually is how it's pronounced. That's the Regal Princess sitting out there. Came in on her this morning. We're down here for a 7-day Eastern Caribbean's tour. Got on yesterday for Fort Lauderdale. Weather wasn't the nicest. It was about 17 degrees Celsius. Today they said it was only supposed to be 21 here, but it feels far warmer than that. Just went to the water, did some snorkeling, saw a lot of cool fish. Water's super warm. Little catamaran sailing this morning too. I'll throw some of that video on here. And but for now we're about ready to head back to the ship because sadly this day is over. The next day we got a day at sea, and the next day after that is St. Thomas, followed by St. Kitts, and then 2 days sadly home, and just like that it's over already. So they just hauled the anchor up, and see the water churning down there. We're on most likely on dynamic positioning now at this point. It's about 3:30. The last of the boats coming back from Princess Cays, and this about wraps up the first day on our January 2023 Eastern Caribbean cruise with Princess Cruises on the Regal Princess. Hope you enjoyed the video with a little bit of snorkeling and some sailing on the Catamaran. If you did, give it a like, give it a thumbs up, and stick around. Got a lot more cool stuff from the Caribbean coming up here shortly.